Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the base network on MetaMask. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can quickly connect and interact with the base ecosystem. We'll cover everything from opening your wallet to entering the specific network details. By the end, you'll be ready to explore the many decentralized applications available on Base with confidence. First, open your MetaMask wallet, either the browser extension or the mobile application. Look for the network selection drop-down, usually found at the top of your wallet interface. Click on it and then select Add Network. This will open a new screen. From there, choose Add a Network manually to begin inputting the base network-specific information. Now it's time to input the base network's details into the fields. For the network name, type base mainnet. The new RPC URL should be https://mainnet.base.org. The chain ID is 8453. For the currency symbol, enter ETH. Finally, for the block explorer URL, which is optional but helpful, use https://baseskin.org. Double-check these details for accuracy. Once all the details are correctly entered, click the Save button. MetaMask will then add base mainnet to your list of available networks. You should see a confirmation message. Now, you can easily switch to the base network from your network drop-down. Your wallet will display ETH as the native currency for gas fees, and you are all set to explore the exciting world of decentralized applications on Base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.